special for you. It's your birthday and you're special too. So I brought some guanks from the outer Guank Zoo. They honk and squonk and sing just for you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday to you. Open your eyes, here's a present. More crazy creatures, don't worry, they're pleasant. They're upside down dweeps on inside out swings. They do things backwards and backwards they sing. Which means happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday to you. There's a party today, a once a year occasion. A party is coming your way, your birthday celebration. The grandest present I've saved till the end, 'cause you're the bestest of all.